Hi everyone, this is Dimwali at your service. I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourself, staying indoors. Today I'm here to talk about this topic, self-love, which I feel is one of the most common and essential aspects of our personality and should be given great consideration. When we talk about self, I think we should have the right mindset to deal with our own beings. So when we talk about self-love, it doesn't come easily in a day, It happens to us gradually over the time. It's all about, valuing your own happiness and well-being, accepting yourself, treating yourself as worthy of things, loving yourself unconditionally, being non-judgmental about your thinking. And once you are high on your self-love, automatically, you are high in self-esteem, confidence, and self-worth. So sometimes self-love can be very challenging, because there's so many beliefs which we carry from a lot of years, and it needs to break so that your personality outshines truly in certain ways. So here I am today to talk about some techniques which can help you in developing self-love, which are very common, and it's a day-to-day simple techniques which can help you become a better person than you are. You should always start your day with positive emotion or think about the positive quality you have. Visualize and affirm good things. Make healthy statements about yourself. I'm relaxed and calm. I am being loved. I'm beautiful. I'm healthy. Master your mind. You are the creator of this universe. It all starts from within. So having a right mindset for the existence of yourself is important. And then having a clear vision about what you want and what you need. Indulge into some self-care activities, taking some time for your own self or indulging into some kind of exercises. It's not necessary to shed weight, it is just to make yourself happy and stay calm. Then I think listening and talking to your inner guidance while meditating, knowing your emotions, knowing what to do next, where you talk about with your own self. You have this foremost relation with your own being, right? Then spirituality plays a very major role, because it doesn't matter which religion you belong to, but it teaches you about the faith and belief you should have on your own self, right? So because faith is the foundation of any relationship. So self-love is all about being in relationship with your own existence, of your own being, right? And to love yourself unconditionally, whatever the situation is. So once you fall in love with yourself, I think it will be the best feeling ever, because you'll take a charge of your life. You will stop seeking attention from people and stop comparing yourself to others. You'll make conscious and courageous decision about your lives. You will welcome every little thing. You'll set boundaries for your own self. You'll limit yourself to your own being. Then you will require no company. You will explore your spirituality, gain more on your inner strength. So there will be certain kind of positive changes in you. You'll always be grateful for small things. So I think this was something which I wanted to talk to you, because I personally felt that each one of us, sometimes in this phases of life we forget to heal ourselves from the pain we have, or sometimes we forget the worth of our own existence. So it's just a small reminder to all, where I think self-love should be treated as your first priority, because if you love yourself, then only you'll be able to take care of other people around you. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll be soon coming with my next video. Bye guys, take care, have a good day, and please stay indoors and take care of yourself and family. Bye.